Hi everyone, this is Soumya here. Today I'm going to teach you how to set any page as a front page in WordPress. Okay, see, this is our dashboard. First, we will have to visit our website. This is our website URL, localhost, and no development. No development, this is our folder name. This is our project name. Which project you have created already in local server with the same name, you will have to visit your site in local server. Okay, now I'm going to explain you that how you can set any page as a front page or not. Before explaining this thing, I want to tell you something. Suppose this is my website, it is live already. You are visiting my website. Then first, what you will see that where is my front page or not. Obviously, once you are going to visit this URL, automatic front page will be open. This is my front page. And in the same time, if you are clicking on home page, obviously front page and home page it should be same. In every website, if you will see, everywhere you will get like front page and home page, it will be same only. Then I'm going to show you that how you can set this home page as a front page or not. Right now, if you will see, this is your front page. In front page, blog section is appearing over here. But like it is similar to blog page. But we don't want that this thing should be not the front page. Instead of that, we should have one home page as a front page. Okay. Now I will show you that how is your home page is appearing or not right now. First, you will have to click it over here. See, this is your home page. Now we want that this page it should be appear in front page. Suppose I am visiting this website. In first time only, this front page it should be appear. Okay. Now what is happening once we are going to visit our project name, project website, then we are getting blog section. Now I'm going to show you that how you can set up or not. You will have to go in dashboard, then you will have to go in settings, then reading. Here you will have to scroll down, you will get option like a static page select below home page. Home page in the sense front page. In front page, which page you want to show or not for any user, for any viewers. Then I want that home page it should be appear as a front page. Then what you will have to do after selecting home, you will have to do save changes. Now you will have to check your site whether modification has done or not. See, this is your front page. If you will visit your website at the first time, that only you will get that this like your front page will be open instead of blog page. This is the first option that how you can do it or not. Now I'm going to show you second option that how you can do or not, because this is not only one option through setting. Now I'm going to show you second option. For that, what you will have to do, you will have to go in appearance, then customize. You will have to scroll down. See here again you will get option home page setting. Here also you can select that which home page you want to show as a front page or not. Suppose I want right now what is happening as a home page, it is appearing in front page. But now what I want that no, instead of home page, I about us page it should be appear in a front page. Then what you will have to do, this is alternate option. So that also you can do it. Now you will have to do, you will have to click in your drop down. You can select route. See, if you want to see modifications, which one you have to over here, for that you will have to do publish. You can refresh it once. See, in front page, your about us page, it is appearing right now after doing modification in customize section. This is the second option. This is very easy. Suppose you have created website already and you want that no, this page this page it should be appear as a front page. This page should be appear as a front page. We have only two very simple tips that we will have to follow. First option again I'm going to remind you that how you can do it or not. First option we have, you will have to go in dashboard, then editing. In rating only you will get option, your static page, in that you will get homepage setting. In homepage setting only you will get drop down option. After clicking over there, you will get like which page you want to appear as a front page or not. From there only you will have to select it and you will have to do save changes. After that, what you will have to do, you will have to visit your website, like you will have to refresh it once again. Then you can see automatic modification will be done, and as a home page only, your front page will be appear. This is the tips one. Now I'm going to tell you second tips that what is that or not. See, then you will have to go in appearance, then customize. In customize, you will have to do a scroll down. In scroll, after doing a scroll down, you will get option home page setting. In home page setting, you will have to click and again you will get option as a drop down. From drop down only, you can select any page. I showed you already as if I want that know about this page, it should be appear as a front page. You can select it over here. If you want to know services page, it should be appear as a front page. You can select it from there itself. It's up to you which page you want to show in front page or not. Okay. Then what you will have to do? Suppose you are selecting your about us page that it should be appear as a front page. You can select it. Then you will have to publish. Again, you will have to do here refresh it once. Then you will see that whatever you have done modification in your dashboard, everything will be done and you will get result over here. This is the part that how you can set up any page as a front page or not in easy way in WordPress. Now I'm trying to remind you one more thing. Suppose sometime what is happening? Suppose Apache and MySQL. I'm going to stop. Now I want to visit my website. Say, I'm sure 100% that might be you would be facing this problem. Local host refused to connect. This site can't be reached. Why it is that time you should not be panicked. Just you will have to see in your server whether Apache and MySQL is started or not. If it is already started, then automatic your website also it will work. Just you refresh it once. See when I did a start from that time onwards again it is working properly. Then make sure if you want to visit your website, local server, obviously your MySQL and Apache should be a start. Then only it will work in proper way. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, my friend. If you really like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please like my video as well, and if you want some like clarification regarding this website design and development, please give me a comment section. Give a comment in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.